Yo, what is going on guys? Today's video we have the Cololight Hexagon Pro RGB kit. We're going to check it out in today's video. As you can see, we have the 9-pack here, which is available on Amazon and the website in the description down below. You'll save more money on the website. It is an affiliate link, so you'll also save 10% off part commission, but it all supports the channel if you want to see more quality content just like this. So this works with your Amazon Google Assistant, Stream Deck, and on the front it also shows that it works with your Razer Chroma devices. So if you have a Razer product, it'll sync with that and in-game and stuff like that, which is really cool. On the back of the box you have stuff like downloading the app and everything else like that. So if you choose to download the app, it's right there. Without further ado, let's get into it. So on top you do have your Cololight user manual. It is the app on the back as well. Right here you have everything labeled very nicely. You have the stone base. It's real stone. You have your controller, your fixtures, and your connectors. And then right here you do have your Hexagon panels right there as well. So you get everything nicely, premiumly packaged in this nice black wrap. Let's check out the stone base first. So here's the base, surrounded in foam. Just like that. Look at that. And you also have some rubber feet on the bottom so it won't slide when it's on the table. You have the controller, a fixture, and a connector, so some brackets and stuff. You have a little tiny user guide here as well to get started on how to set this up. So we have a packet there, and 2 Hexagon panels here. More connectors. So this is the size of each Hexagon. They're about, I want to say 3 inches by 3 inches. And here you do have your connectors. We're going to lay them out here. You have a total of 9 of these long connectors and 8 of these short connectors, which are basically support brackets. And then you also do have your controller here, which is able to be connected to the main module and give it to the Bluetooth feature and power. Now we have the Hexagon lights. Oh, got it. All right, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the package right there, and then the 2 that were included in the other box. So a total of 9 Hexagon lights to be able to make whatever design we feel. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to have this control little panel here. It is USB powered, so just plug it in. This does have a little locking mechanism on it as well, which is pretty cool. Since it is a pro model, it has pro features and it looks like it automatically turns on. That's really nice. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a knife since that's what I have here on the reverse side, and it's locked into place and it won't move. It's pretty strong too. So what you're going to do, like I said, these short connectors are for support. So that means if you use it on any other part, it won't work. You have to use it on the long connector. And in order to get power, you have to connect it into the 2. So there's 2 little sections. Make sure you plug the long piece into one of them, and then you can rotate it on any of these desired spots. So if you wanted to put it right here, and just like that, we have 2 of them now. So now I just continue doing the same process. All right, looks like we got pretty much everything. Going to see if everything's powered. Looks like it is. So very quickly, everything got powered, which is really nice. So you're just gonna wanna unlock it, just like so. I like the little locking mechanism on this already. It's very seamless to be able to open up. Feed the power cable through this hole here on top, just like so. Cut out here so it could fit seamlessly. And that base is not going anywhere. It's very heavy, all right? There we go, and then this just slides into place. Let's make sure we lock it here on the back. There it is. I accidentally made the picture on the box. I meant to make a heart, but it kind of failed. So this is the real brightness on it. This is how it's gonna look. All right, so we went up with this crazy design up here, just stacked it up really tall. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. If you wanna download the app, it's in the description down below, but it's Cololight. That's all you need to do. You make an account. Once you make an account, you're going to press the plus on the top, and you have different device models that you can connect to. I have the plus, and I already did a plus video if you haven't seen that. On the bottom of the base here, you do have a touch sensor button. We're going to go ahead and show you real quick. What you're going to do is you're going to press and hold this touch sensor button here on the bottom for about 10 seconds until it enters its state of mode. There we go. It's flashing blue. We will click the device name now, and it should auto connect here, and it did. Password name, and it's going to start syncing to the cloud here. I don't know if you can tell or see that, but it's going to start registering. All right, successfully registered. We can go to rename it. We're going to rename it Cololight Pro. All right, now that the actual device works and we have the app here, we can turn it on here, and it wasn't at the full brightness, so now it is able to be at the full brightness. So you can actually see the true presence on how it was. Before it was like way at like 20 or something %. All right, so we have a peach. We have the Live Smart here, which is kind of like a sky look. Looks very beautiful. We have Aura, which is kind of like a northern light, I guess you could say. You have Christmas here, so red and green little fades. Macaroon. Macaroon, we have rainbow here. You can change the speed of it here as well. So if you want to go crazy fast, you can do that. We're in the rainbow right now. You have sunrise. Let's change the speed of that. We also have ice cream apparently. So basically the same modes. This did get an update in the app, I remember. It looks a lot nicer in the app now. We also have circus. And it says that you can long press any of these effects to be able to change the effect color here. So if you want to do a yellow, red and like a yellow, red and a green, you can do that. Green and yellow. You can change the effect pattern. So if you want it to start at a certain spot, you can do that. Or if you want it to kind of fade in or fade out. You have the colors specifically. So if you want one full solid color to be green jade, a Maui blue. You have the purple here, which looks pretty nice. Darker blue, darker green. We have a pink here. Pink, if you press and hold, yeah, if you press and hold them, you can make your own custom color. So it's going to go to red here. Let's check out what a white looks like. That's a really bright white. Like if we put this on our skin or something like that, you could probably see a little bit more of me. I don't know how to lower the exposure like this. Save it, name it, and it's added to the palette right here on the bottom. You also have rhythms, which you can also make your own, like I said. So if you want a specific color, specific speed, pattern, all that, you can easily customize it perfectly to how you want it. You can easily remove any of these lights here very quickly on this wall mount plate, which is really nice. You can buy these on their design. It's basically the same exact look here, and you can easily place it back and it'll easily work just like that. Seamless. No other Hexagon lights on the planet can do that, and the fact that these are able to do that and have so much good features, I highly recommend you guys to pick this up. Link in the description down below to buy. Once again, if you want to use my code to save 10% off, it'll be much appreciated. Without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Always, all days, all nights, sing do I do.